You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Ciao from Naples, Italy, a city where every cobblestone whispers tales of ancient empires and vibrant street life. Join Explorer Vacations as we wander through its historic heart. As we stroll, you'll be immersed in the authentic Neapolitan atmosphere, passing charming cafes with the scent of espresso, lively restaurants with the aroma of pizza and ragù, and bustling shops brimming with local crafts. Founded by the Greeks in the 6th century BC as Neapolis, Naples has a history as rich as its famous ragù. It's a city shaped by Romans, Normans, and Bourbons, each leaving their lasting mark. Feel centuries past intertwined with the present as we explore this dynamic city, truly a feast for the senses. Thank you for watching Vacation Minute. Please visit our website, explorervacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.